How to change text size on Snapchat. So first is to ensure that you are currently using the latest version of the Snapchat application. So if you're not sure if you're using the latest version, all you have to do is go to Play Store, search for Snapchat, and then once you find an update button, just tap that button and the application will start immediately installing the latest version. So once you've updated the application, open the app, swipe to your right to see the chat section. So just select any message conversation and then type in your message. Now as you type in your message, you will see two arrows beside your message. Now all you have to do is drag the arrow up if you want to make the font size bigger, and then drag the arrow down if you want to make the font size smaller. And so that is how you change text size on Snapchat. Thank you and have a great day.